Have you noticed how some people over 60 wake up refreshed and energetic, while others struggle with aches and fatigue? The difference often happens at night. What you do before bed influences how your body repairs and rejuvenates itself while you sleep. In this video, we'll explore 5 simple night habits that help your body heal, restore energy, and fight aging while you rest. These natural, science-backed rituals can transform how you sleep and feel the next day. So let's begin. After age 60, our bodies don't repair as fast. Muscle recovery slows, joints stiffen, and sleep cycles become lighter. But you can train your body to heal better overnight with small, consistent evening habits. Think of it as pressing your body's reset button. Habit number 1, the warming drink ritual. Before bed, your body needs gentle nourishment to trigger relaxation and support deep sleep. Sip a natural warm drink about 30 minutes before bedtime. Try warm milk with turmeric or chamomile tea with honey. Turmeric milk is anti-inflammatory and helps reduce joint pain, especially for arthritis or stiffness. Chamomile tea naturally calms your nervous system, preparing your body for deep rest. Another option is tart cherry juice. Research shows it's a natural source of melatonin, which controls your sleep cycle. Just half a cup before bed can help you fall asleep faster and wake up less during the night. The goal is deep rest, where your body repairs muscles, balances hormones, and rejuvenates every cell. Habit number 2, gentle movement and stretching. Gentle movement before bed can improve sleep quality. The key is gentle, mindful movements that relax muscles, not energize them. Try 5 minutes of slow stretching or yoga poses like cat-cow, legs up the wall, or slow neck rolls. These movements improve blood flow, ease muscle tension, and help your brain transition to a calm state. For stiff joints, warm up with a gentle massage using sesame or coconut oil before stretching. This Ayurvedic trick lubricates joints and signals to your body that it's time to rest and heal. Light movement before bed releases stress hormones, creating the perfect environment for deep, restorative sleep. Habit number 3, the power of nighttime reflection. Your mind plays a huge role in how well your body repairs overnight. Stress and worry interfere with sleep. Taking 5 minutes to reflect and release thoughts can make a difference. Before bed, write down 3 things you're grateful for. They can be small, like a good conversation or a delicious meal. Gratitude lowers stress hormones and releases feel-good chemicals like serotonin. If writing isn't for you, try deep breathing or a short guided meditation. A positive affirmation can help your mind let go. When your mind relaxes, your body follows. You'll fall asleep easier and wake up with more peace and energy. Habit number 4, prepare your sleep sanctuary. Your bedroom environment greatly impacts how well you sleep and heal. Seniors need consistent cues that tell the body it's time for rest. Keep your room cool and dark, ideally between 65 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit. Cooler temperatures trigger melatonin production for deeper sleep. Block out light and sound with blackout curtains or an eye mask. Gentle white noise can help your brain relax. Keep your bed sacred, reserving it purely for rest. When your brain associates your bed with sleep, you'll drift off naturally. Add a few drops of lavender essential oil to your pillow or diffuser. Its scent slows your heart rate and promotes relaxation. A calm environment tells your body, you're safe. You can rest now. That's when true repair begins. Habit number 5, early light dinner and digestion time. Many people overlook digestion's impact on sleep. Eating too late forces your body to work instead of rest, diverting energy from tissue repair and growth hormones. Make your last meal 2 to 3 hours before bed, keeping it light and nourishing. Vegetable soup or a small salad are perfect options. Avoid caffeine, sugary desserts, and fried foods at night, as they disrupt your sleep cycle. End your meal with something soothing, like a teaspoon of ghee or soaked almonds for healthy fats that support overnight recovery. When digestion is complete, your body can fully focus on healing, repairing muscles, and balancing your immune system. Imagine combining these habits: a calming drink, light stretching, gratitude, a cozy sleep environment, and an early dinner. You'll fall asleep faster and wake up with less stiffness, sharper focus, and more energy. The magic is in how well your body uses sleep to repair itself. Every night is a chance to rebuild and renew. Treat bedtime as a sacred ritual, the beginning of your body's healing journey. Start with one habit, like warm turmeric milk or gentle stretching. Your body will respond quickly to the care it deserves. It's never too late to feel better, sleep deeper, and heal naturally. Your body is always ready to restore itself. If these tips were helpful, subscribe and turn on notifications for more natural health and wellness insights for seniors. Take care of yourself tonight. Your best healing happens at home, quietly, while you sleep.